This is Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Naidu from Government VYT PG Autonomous College, Durg, with the topic Special Types of Chromosomes, and this is mentioned in the syllabus of MSc second semester Botany's paper 1, that is Genetics. A chromosome which significantly differ in structure and function from normal chromosomes, they are actually known as special types of chromosomes. And the examples of such kind of chromosomes are Lamb-Brush chromosome, polytene chromosome, and B chromosomes. What are polytene chromosomes? These chromosomes are also known as giant chromosomes. Multiple replicates of the same chromosome holding together in a parallel fashion, resulting in very long and very thick structure. These chromosomes were first discovered by E.G. Balbiani in the year 1881 in dipteron salivary glands of Drosophila. Hence are called salivary gland chromosomes also. If we see their occurrence, they are found in certain tissues, example salivary glands of Drosophila and Chironomonas larva, Syra, Malphizian tubules, and fat bodies of some Diptera. Now let's see the size of these giant chromosomes. So these chromosomes are very long and thin, and during mitotic metaphase in the case of Drosophila. In somatic cell of Drosophila, only 4 giant chromosomes are found, and total length of the Drosophila melanogaster giant chromosome is about 2000 micron, and length of normal chromosome measures only 7.5 micron. Structure of giant chromosome. Each giant chromosome is composed of numerous strands. It is visible in the diagram, and each strand representing one chromatid. That's why they are called as polytene chromosome, and the term polytene was given by Kohler in the year 1935. These giant chromosomes are made up of many giant chromosomes called the bands. In Drosophila, about 5,000 bands can be recognized. It can be separated by relatively light or non-staining region, that is called the interband. And some of this band are thick as 0.5 micron, while some may only be thick as 0.05 micron. Main features of these chromosomes. After staining polytene chromosome, it shows the alternate dark and light bands all along their length. At places, polytene chromosome bears swelling called chromosome puffs. In the diagram, the chromosome puffs or the swelling is very clearly visible on the right side, while the large swellings are called the Balbiani rings. Puffs are site of RNA synthesis. Ecdysome induces puffs in specific bands. Repeated cycles of endo reduplication are found, and the number of strands double after every round of DNA replication. It is estimated that giant chromosome of Drosophila have 1024 strands, and Chironomonas may have as many as 4096 strands. The puffing of polytene chromosome is a cyclic event and has got a definite role in molting of insect, rich in DNA content. So that was about the polytene chromosome. Now we are looking forward the Lamb-Brush chromosome. Chromosomes have a pair of several chromosomes chromomeres distributed over its length, and from each chromomere, lateral loops extend in opposite direction perpendicular to the main axis of chromosome. And these loops give that appearance of lamp branch, and that's why it is known as lamp branch chromosome. And these chromosomes were first seen by Fleming in the year 1882 in amphibian oocytes. If we see their occurrence, they are found in oocyte of amphibian sharks, insects, frog, and birds which produce large or yolky eggs, or all vertebrates. They are also found in plants and some invertebrates like sepia and echinacea. Size of lamp brush chromosome. These chromosomes are extremely long in some cases, being 800 to 1000 micron in length and about 20 micron width. Salamander oocyte may attain a length of about 5900 micron. Now, structure and features of lamp brush chromosomes. Lamp brush chromosomes are found in the form of a paired homologous chromosome joined at places, and these places are called chiasmata, found at the diploid stage of meiosis in primary oocyte, and they appear like a brush. Each chromosome has a long axis and lateral loops. Thus, the DNA axis of loops moves progressively from the thin end towards the thick end of the loops. The chromomeric pattern is seen in these chromosomes with loops projecting in pairs form majority of chromosomes. 1 to 9 loops may arise from a single chromomere. Most of the DNA in each chromosome remains highly condensed in the chromomeres. Each of the two chromosomes shown consists of two closely opposed sister chromatids. In the diagram, we can see that the loops are produced due to uncoiling of chromatin fiber, and these loops make their DNA available for transcription. One end of each loop is thin while other is thicker. The size of loops may range from an average of 9.5 micron in frog to up to about 200 micron in salamander. Loops are site of RNA synthesis. Observation. If the activity of these genes is stopped by actinomycin D, the loops will collapse, suggesting that the loops mainly consist of RNA. Now, B chromosomes. B chromosomes are a particular kind of supernumerary chromosomes that may or may not be found in an organism as extra chromosomes over and above the standard diploid or polyploid chromosome complement. These were first reported in maize by Longley in 1927 and Randolph in 1928. Distribution have been reported in more than 1000 species distributed over bryophyte, ferns, gymnosperms, angiosperms in both the monocots and dicots, and mostly found in outbreeders. In the family Gramineae, they are found in 200 species, including cereals and forage grasses. Sometimes be restricted only to aerial parts, but absent in roots. Example is Aezilops speltoides. Now, general properties of these B chromosomes differ morphologically from A chromosome. In wild population, around 100 animal species, 600 plant species, especially fungi, contain B chromosomes. Leads to some reduction in vigor and fertility in maize. Largely heterochromatic, carry no genes with major effects. General properties. 90% of these B chromosomes tend to lack centromere. They are to move towards either of centrioles and poles during cell division, smaller in size and carry less DNA than A chromosome, and show the non Mendelian inheritance. Significance and effects of B chromosomes. Flowering time is generally delayed by B chromosomes, and several characters are adversely affected, like the plant height, plant weight, Taylor numbers, etc. The effect of B chromosomes in suppressing or promoting meiotic pairing has been shown in a number of intergeneric or interspecific hybrids. In maize, the use of various A by B interchange stocks demonstrated that the genetic elements affecting meiotic pairing of A chromosome appear to be widely distributed throughout the length of B chromosomes. So that was about the special kind of chromosomes. Thank you very much.